Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Again, here we have a 2007 VE Commodore sedan, silver Lumina, with a bit of a rearranged front. I'll just go up there and look. Low kilometre car, I think it's around 60,000 Ks. LEO 3.6 engine. Up here and have a look. There we go. It's in there. Compliance plate, I think it's June 07. And the LEO code's a 10HBP engine. Jump around and start it up. It's got 3 doors, good boot lid, and tail lights. Standard grey cloth trim. Beauty of this car is low kilometres, 61,209 kilometres. Let's start it up. On the keyhole. There we go. Standard stereo, pretty basic car, Lumina, but like I say, low kilometres. All the wheels are damaged, so there's not much point going through them. So good doors, engine purring like a kitten there. Grill's okay. These 2 doors are quite good. Good boot lid, tail lights, there's a damaged spare in there. And that's basically it. Low kilometre VE Commodore. So if you need any VE Commodore parts or other car parts, give the Parts Plus guys a call on 02 4646 1733 and they'll help you out. So thanks for watching. And bye for now.